In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 8-bit pixel art using ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Creating 8-bit pixel art with ChatGPT is a fun way to explore your creativity. The secret to success in generating pixel art lies in how specific you are with your prompt. Although ChatGPT can generate impressive images, if you're not clear in your request, you might end up with something that appears too sleek or modern. So, throughout this video, I'll share a simple prompt formula to help you achieve those classic 8-bit results, even if you're just starting your creative journey. First, go ahead and open ChatGPT, then navigate to the image generation area. This is where the magic happens. Now, when you're ready to create your artwork, remember that crafting the prompt is the most important step. Instead of simply saying, "Make a pixel art cat," we want to guide the AI a bit more. Here's where the specifics come into play. You should describe what you want, but also set some technical constraints that push ChatGPT to think in a retro, low-resolution style. This is how we're going to do it. Start by describing your subject, then instruct ChatGPT to use a low-resolution grid along with a limited color palette made up of sharp, visible pixels. This combination completely changes the output quality. For instance, a great prompt would be something like, "Generate an 8-bit pixel art image of a cat. Use a low-resolution grid like 64 by 64 or 32 by 32 pixels. Please limit the palette to only 16 colors and ensure there are no gradients or anti-aliasing." Why does this work so well, you may ask? It's because it gives the AI clear visual guidelines to follow. The low-resolution grid creates that nostalgic, blocky look you'd expect from retro gaming. Meanwhile, the limited color palette keeps things simple and authentic, and refusing gradients or anti-aliasing ensures that the image doesn't turn out too smooth. And guess what? If you want to switch things up, you can easily change the subject. You can ask ChatGPT to create an 8-bit pixel art spaceship, a retro pixel art wizard, or even a pixel art landscape. Just remember to keep those constraints intact. It's all about consistency. Speaking of backgrounds, it can be incredibly helpful to be specific about that too. Saying something like solid black background or solid white background will help clarify the composition, making it resemble classic retro game art and giving your subject a standout silhouette. Now, let's talk about composition. 8-bit art shines when the focus is on simplicity. The subject should be bold, easy to recognize, and ideally centered in the frame. If you request too many intricate details, it may dilute that authentic, old-school gaming vibe we're going for. So, aim for simple shapes and clear outlines. Dial down any excessive detail. If your first result isn't exactly what you were envisioning, don't fret. All you need to do is refine that prompt a little. Those tiny changes can steer the output more closely to what you want. You can even ask ChatGPT to emulate the look of vintage console artwork, but remember to stay generic. This provides the model a solid direction while keeping the prompt straightforward. So to wrap it all up, here's the main takeaway. Start with your subject, then apply those technical constraints: low resolution, limited colors, no gradients, and visible sharp pixels. This formula is your ticket to creating delightful 8-bit pixel art with ChatGPT. Have fun experimenting with variations, comparing different results, and fine-tuning your prompts until you find that perfect look. Once you nail down a formula that works for you, don't hesitate to reuse it across various characters, icons, scenes, and game assets. If this tutorial has inspired you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials and creative prompt tips. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you'll create. I'll catch you in the next video.